Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing very well. In this video, I would like to talk about how to join Merchant Navy. To understand or to know about how to join into this industry, two things you have to understand first. First thing is, what is Merchant Navy? Merchant Navy job profiles, ranks and their individual duties and responsibilities and individual rank facilities, different types of ships and their individual requirements. So after selecting any particular field or any rank, the second thing you have to know how to join into that particular rank. The thing is that you have to select a particular rank first, that which rank you want to join, which future you want to pursue, after completion of which educational qualification you want to join into this industry. All depend upon individual rank requirements and individual rank responsibilities. Only after clearing all these matters, you will have a clear idea about how to join Merchant Navy. Before telling about the basic requirements of how to join Merchant Navy, I would like to share a short disclaimer, that is, the requirements may vary country to country, so that I will discuss about only basic requirements, and in this video I talking about how to join in Merchant Navy in India. So in India, normally you can join in Merchant Navy after completing your 10th exam or after 12th exam. If you want to join as a deck officer or an engineer, you must have to complete your 12th exam first. So what are the Merchant Navy courses after 12th exam? To join as a deck officer, you can pursue either BSc Nautical Science 3 years or Diploma in Nautical Science, that is DNS, for 1 year. And to join as an engineer, either Bachelor of Engineering or either BTech Marine Engineering, that is 4 years, or GME course. And to join as a rating, after 10th or 12th exam, you can do Pre-C GP rating course 6 months. And to join in the catering department, after 10th or 12th exam, you can do Maritime Catering course, that is 6 months courses, or you can do BSc in Marine Catering, that is 3 years course. So what are the basic eligibility to join Merchant Navy? First thing is age. The minimum age is 17 years and maximum sometimes 22, or some academy requirement is 25 years. It depends upon academy to academy. And physical fitness, a certificate of fitness from a registered medical practitioner is mandatory. Third thing is eyesight, either 6/12 in each eye or 6/9 in better eye or 6/18 in other eye for distant unaided vision. And the most important thing is color blindness in any case is absolutely not permitted. A question may arise into your mind that why color blindness is absolutely not permitted? Because at sea, whenever we are in high sea, suppose you are a deck officer, you have to recognize whenever you do any lookout duty or any navigation duty, you have to recognize at night time or daytime by visualizing all these lights and shapes. At night, if you are color blind, you cannot understand or you cannot differentiate between the color between red or yellow or maybe green. So you cannot differentiate which type of vessel is coming, and either it's a crossing situation or a head-on situation, you cannot understand. So this thing is very important for practical job actually on board ship. So that if you are color blind, my suggestion is don't hide it, or maybe any circumstances, just don't come into this industry. There are lots of other industry out there. You can do a better in other industry, so better not to come into this industry. It will be very difficult for you, or maybe you can anytime you can be eliminated from the ship or from any company. Fourth thing is both genders are allowed to join the Merchant Navy. In fact, female candidates are encouraged. Female candidates are encouraged because of present IMO policy. IMO is encouraging to come into this industry. Most of the time you will find that for girl the courses fee are very less, or maybe sometimes 50% and sometimes free of cost. So it is a very affordable industry to come into this industry as a woman or as a girl. There might be lots of doubt about this topic, that whether a girl should come into this industry or not. It's a debatable topic. I don't want to say any particular reason behind this topic. I would say both are equal. Anybody come into this industry. Even girls are doing very well into this industry. If you search, you will find that very famous captains and chief officers are over here. So far, most of the girls are not finding any difficulty, but the main problem is most of the country are not hiring girls because of some their reason. I don't know why they are not hiring the girl, but if anybody want to pursue this into this industry, she can definitely come. It's a very high time to join into this industry. Fifth basic thing is individuals ought to be unmarried at the time of joining the course. We have these basic requirements. Maybe it's varied from country to country or from academy to academy. So you should actually search about that particular rank first, and after you have to find that for that particular rank where you want to join. So go through their website. Nowadays its information is too much available on the internet. You can contact with them, the academic faculty members, or maybe administration, or it will be very helpful if you can contact with the senior cadets of that academy, or maybe whoever passing out from that academy and whoever doing job very well done, or maybe whatever they are doing after completing from that academy. That will be very helpful for you. So about the number and grading mark, for the officer grade you have to have 50% marks in English in 12th exam and 60% average in physics, chemistry and math in 10th and 12th. And for ratings and catering department, 40% marks in English in 10th and 12th exam and 40% aggregate in 10th or 12th with English, mathematics and science in 10th and in any stream for the 12th board. As I already said, the criteria for the eligibility might differ with the different institutes, and my advice will be please check the website of your desired institute to check the specific requirement set for the admission into the desired course. Entrance exams for Merchant Navy. After completion of 12th class, you can appear for the Indian Maritime University Common Entrance Test, that is IMU CET, or the All India Merchant Navy Entrance Exam. This exam is generally conducted in the month of May. The other exams can also serve as a gateway for marine engineering, or JEE, MERI entrance exam, or TeamSet. I already given the important links in the description below. You can find it out, all these related links. Application for the exam can be done online. Along with the application form, applicants have to be submit a brief summary of 100 words that states why they wish to apply for Merchant Navy. This exam is an MCQ pattern test spanning over subjects like physics, chemistry, mathematics, English, general knowledge and reasoning. So depending on the marks on the IMU CET, that is Common Entrance Test, candidates are accepted into the various campuses of IMU and is affiliated institutes. Important links I already give in the description below, please check it out. Also, I have already discussed about the advantage and disadvantages of Merchant Navy in this channel. You can check it out, link already given down here, or you can click on the card above here. I think you should watch those videos before joining Merchant Navy. Also, some of you can get confused that after 12th exam in which course you will pursue, like either DNS or BNS, which one is better for you. I already make one video for that, so which one can be better for you, either BNS or DNS, which course you should pursue to become a deck officer, which course is more effective or more useful for you. So you can check that link in the description below, or maybe card above here. I would like to say these two things you have to confirm first, and you have to understand very practically. Merchant Navy is not a normal 9 to 5 job. It's a lifestyle actually, which you want to pursue on board ship, because you have to on board ship whenever you are cadet, maybe 6 or 7 months, maybe sometimes 8 months, or whenever you will become officer or engineer, that time it will become like 4 to 6 months. At that time you have to be on board. It will be very hectic for you. So the basic requirements, I would say that you don't have to become too much brilliant, or also dumb people also not accepted over here. You may understand this thing, and also not too much smart people needed over here, or maybe not too much dumb. The general people, like average people or average smart people, can come into this industry. And also you have to physically too much fit, and also mentally also too much strong. You have to take too much responsibility, because maybe multi-billion-dollar assets you are carrying board ship, and also you are responsible for that cargo and ship also. So it will be very responsible job to pursue. Having said that, I ended up this video over here. If you have any more doubts, please let me know in the comment section below. And also you can follow my Instagram and Facebook page for day-to-day updates, or maybe if you have any doubts you can directly contact with me, or in the comment section below you can write it down. Thanks for watching. Bon voyage, happy sailing.